run it? Who 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 run it?
As you guys know, there's some tension. There's been some tension with police in the community. So we want to come together. The police officers are the actual coaches of the baseball league. It's 6 teams. We're boys and girls. And we play every single Wednesday at Hamilton Park at 5:30. And we would love for you guys to come on out. Hamilton Park every Wednesday at 5:30. Y'all want to say something? Anybody? Anybody? Want to bop it out?
My name is Ariane, and I like baseball because it is fun, and I'm a good pitcher, and that's all.
All right, so we're gonna have a thank you. So we're gonna close it out with our star pitcher here, Inglewood resident, Miss Jasmine Brooks.
As she said, my name is Jasmine Brooks. I like the Inglewood Youth Baseball League because it's girls and boys league, and I have a lot of fun and I've made a lot of new friends.
Thank you. One last one. State your name.
I'm Princeton Sellers, and my family, as you can see. Anyway, I just wanted to say I like baseball, and it keeps me educated and learn new things over the summer. As I have to do stupid work at home, like packets, 2 of them, and read 7 books.
All right, so give it up for Inglewood Police Youth Baseball League. All right.
Who run it? 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 Who run it?
I want y'all to put y'all hands together for my man Chris Farrell. Put y'all hands together for him one time, man. How y'all doing? Y'all good? All right, check this out. The name of this song is called Sun Still Shines, right? The concept is real simple. When people hear Inglewood, they automatically think something negative, right? When you think of Inglewood, you think something negative. So it's like, or when you think of your life, you think of the clouds, or you think of bad storms in your life, you think like, man, I'm alone, right? Like now, it's raining, right? Where is the sun? The whole purpose of the song, Sun Still Shines, is just to tell you that even though it looks dark, even though it's cloudy and it's raining, but the sun is still in the same spot it always was. When I say, just like in the cloudy skies, the sun still shines, know through your hard times, the sun still shines. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get into it. Yeah. Yeah. Ask me if I got any last words. They asked me if I had any last words. Yeah. And I was like, I said, yeah, you know I'm good around with it, so. Yeah. This the Inglewood anthem. Keep your head up. Yeah. I know it seems dark. I know we hear a lot of negative things. Yeah. But yo, you know what it is. But what it is, through all the darkness, through all the problems, know that the sun still shines. Yeah, listen, her forecast says sad, so I prayed for her. Then she went and got in the bed that was made for her. So I stayed for her. Second and third and talking about Jesus, I said it's this heavy, but then she questioned like, if it's real, then what I'm going through now, is this in his will? My daddy's beating his children, we can missing these meals. Then he told me my body was the key to these bills. I'm like, whoa, that's heavy enough to break a levee, but he never put my hand in you Kentucky. And he said he's there with you through the fiery furnace. I know he smells smoke cause he fire, you're not burning. And right now it's all that you're concerned with. Just know the world is steady turning. So even though it's dark at the night times, no through these dark times, the sun still shines. Just like in the cloudy skies, the sun still shines. Don't through your hard times, the sun still shines. Yeah, the sun still shines. Keep your head up, y'all, the sun still shines. What they say on our blocks, there's too much crime. I say through all the crimes, the sun still shines. Yeah, the sun still shines. Come on. Everybody, say, rain, rain, go away, come again, another day. Say, rain, rain, Say shine over Inglewood. Say shine over Inglewood. Yeah, I say shine over Inglewood. Yo, just like in the cloudy skies, the sun still shines. Don't through your hard times, the sun still shines. Yeah, the sun still shines. That's right, y'all, the sun still shines. What they say on my blocks, there's too much crime. I say through all the crime, the sun still shines. Yeah, the sun still shines. Keep the head up, y'all, the sun still shines. Yeah, remember that. Yeah, remember that. Never get too down. Never get too down and think, it's all dark. Everything's all dark. Like, no, through your hard times, the sun still shines. There's always a light at the end of the tunnel. This one, this acapella joint, yeah. You know, it's hard to envision the sun still shining when it just seems like everything's so bad. Everything just seems bad in America. At least for us, right? How many people know Black Lives Matter? You guys sure Black Lives Matter? Yeah. Isn't it sad that we have to like remind ourselves that we matter? Ain't that sad? Like we gotta ask permission. Like, can I breathe? We gotta come up with all of these T-shirts. Like, can I breathe? It's like, it seems that's how it is in America. So we gonna go into this. If you get into it. La da 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 da. The American way. You're born a slave to whips and chains. So join a gang. It's the American way. You're born a slave to whips and chains. Yeah. So join a gang. It's the American way. Yeah. You're born a slave. Yeah. To whips and chains. Yeah. So join a gang. It's the American way. Yeah. You're born a slave. Yeah. To whips and chains. Yeah. So join a gang. Yeah. Whoa. Point to yourself and say this. Say, I ain't a slave no more. I ain't a slave no more, no more. I ain't a slave no more. No more. I ain't a slave no more. I ain't a slave no more, no more. No more, the American way. Take off these chains, and now we free. We use our brains, we have been saved. In this USA, they point and say that you can't stay. I'm saying, I can't stay. This ain't a vacation, we know where we go. It's this sensation, don't ask to breathe. You want me to leave, but when you think I failed, that's where I succeed. The American way. Yeah, you're born a slave. Yeah, to whips and chains. They don't give us no choice but to join these gangs. It's the American way. Yeah, you're born a slave. Yeah, to these whips and these chains. Yeah, so we join a gang. It's the American way. Listen to it. You're born a slave. We went from whips and chains. So we join these gangs. It's the American way. Now we join in gangs for big whips and big chains. Yeah, things ain't changed. It's the American way. Appreciate it. I'm out.